play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
To be what it is Niecy.
What?
What? The fuck? Did I just say? Hold up, rewind. What it is would be is Niecy. Welcome back to my channel. Whoa, I don't know what the fuck I just said earlier, but yeah. But I know I've been away. I missed y'all, but I know I've been away for a while. It's because I took a break. Also, sorry y'all, I look a little rusty right now because I'm just waking up. But I just found a vlog today because I haven't posted anything on YouTube except for my live videos, and I've been away for a while. I apologize. I took a break. Also, I got sick, like really bad. And then also I made a big girl purchase. If you watch my live, like my live streams, you will know what that big girl purchase is, but I'm just let y'all know now if y'all haven't. But basically I bought a car,
Period.
so stay tuned for like a car tour. And like, you know, I'm not decorating my car because I like how my car is, but yeah, so I got a car. What else? Yeah, so stay tuned for a car tour and, like, you know, about financing and the money aspect of it and everything. So today I got errands to run. Not really, just to get out the house. It's my day off from work, so I like to get out of the house so I could be more productive. So let me get up and start heading. And yeah, oh, look at my nails. But yeah, oh, happy belated Valentine's Day, whatever. But yeah, so let's go. I need to get my hair done, but I'm gonna try to record. Well, I'm gonna go to Target so I could, you know, like put stuff in the car. Give me like 5 minutes, not even a second. Ooh, The best I could do. This is the best I could do. Ooh. Bro, let me fix y'all real quick. Okay, there we go. Oh. A bitch can't see. I hit the fucking turn. Now I gotta wait. Let me put my center. Come on, car. Whatever. You know? Now let's go get our drink. Alright. What I get is a I get a iced caramel coffee, and then add French vanilla and a Splenda, like a little bit of sugar, and boom boom. And I gotta get done now. I'm gonna look up a car wash near me, and then we're gonna go. And yeah, so I'll see y'all in a bit. That's like pink. Target, but it is what it is. So I don't even know if I'm still gonna go out to eat, to be honest. If it's gonna be raining, I'll probably just give me some Indian food and ooh shit. Let me take this off. I'll probably just go buy me some food and then just chill at home. I'll see y'all either Target, gas station, probably when I go to Target. So y'all, I made it to Target, but it's fucking pouring raining. I ain't got no umbrella. So I'm gonna buy an umbrella in Target. I'm gonna have to just run in that bitch and yeah, I look crazy right now, but I'm gonna just run in Target, get what I need to get an umbrella and bang it. Like, look, like it's raining like real hard. But yeah, let me hurry up and get in this bitch before, yeah. So let me, oh, it's raining hard, let me hurry up. All right, y'all, I'm in Target. Oops, sorry. I just came for some stuff and then I gotta go get an umbrella. I don't even know where the umbrellas are. I just need some hand sanitizer and wipes, and then it's like I'm running. It's 1:52. I'm trying to get to my sister's school by 2:20. So like, okay, where the fuck? I'm sorry, y'all. I need to stop cursing, bro. Sensitive skin, tropical slash. Okay, we're gonna do fresh scent. Fresh scent. Let me put my phone away. My other phone. We're gonna do fresh scent. And then we need hand sanitizer. The cheapest one, of course. This is Perel's, $1.99, $1.19. We gonna get the $1.19 one. And then should I get antibacterial? Okay, now. Alright. I should get lotion. How much is the video? I'm doing too much. Alright, so and then I need the umbrella. Where's the umbrellas? Do they even sell? Do Target sell umbrellas? I'm trying not to like, cause I used to work at Target. Y'all. This is the exact location I used to work at. And some of my old coworkers, you know, some left, some still here. And bro, when we got gossip tea, I got tea. One of my coworkers told me they got tea for me, and she about to get off soon, so she's gonna call me so she can tell me what the fuck going on. Like, I love a little messy tea. Let me stop. I'm not messy. I'm just nosy. I like to know what be going on. But yeah. I'm trying to. Where's the umbrellas? What are socks? That's what I need. I need some socks. We're gonna go to like. I think I said I was gonna go to. I just want like all black socks. I think I'm gonna just go to Burlington. I don't think I'm gonna go get socks today. I'll probably go to TJ Maxx or something to get socks. I like these type of socks, the ankle. Let me see. These are $79.99. I think I can get them cheaper somewhere else. TJ Maxx or like Ross. But I'll probably get them tomorrow because it's raining and I don't do rain. I like wearing all black socks. Anyways, I need an umbrella. Where's the umbrellas? Where's the umbrellas? I'm trying not to see. Some of my manager's still here. I'm not trying to ask. Okay, does anybody know what the damn umbrella is at? Alright, hold on, y'all. I'm finna go and find. Alright, y'all. So we're gonna go pick my sister up and then continue with our day. What I'm gonna do after I pick up my sister? She better not hit my car. I got tints, so they can't see me. Alright, y'all, so we finna go get my sister. Actually, let me put my glasses on. So yeah. Get my sister. I gotta put my hoodie on. don't want no one hitting me. Because these people be speeding through this shit and, you know. I hate this. Because I can't see for nothing. How these people... There you go. There you go. Come here, so you can see the view. So, yeah. But yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all later because my phone keeps slipping and shit. So, alright, y'all. So I'm at my sister's school. I'm waiting for her to get out. It's 2:58. Actually, it's 2:52. Well, my brother just texted me, asking me, if I can come pick him up because he's in high school. He got football practice, but I guess he don't got football practice, so he asked me to come get him. So I was like, okay. After I pick up this sibling, I gotta go pick up the other sibling. Like, damn. Everyone asked me to come pick them up today. It's because I got a car now, but... Alright, y'all. So I'm in Five Below right now. Ooh, let me wipe the camera off, y'all. There you go. I'm here to get socks. I want some black socks. Like, see, $5. What type of socks are they? Well, these are men. I like the socks like I have these, but okay, hold on. I like wearing men's socks. I guess I can get, what's the difference? This is, are they the same? I think I'm gonna just get these. True socks. They're long though. I don't want them that long. Alright, we're just gonna get these. It's $5. It says $5. So we're gonna get these. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to eat. It's just coloring books. Cause I was gonna get a coloring book. But they got crayons. That's $1 too. They have coloring books. Cause I want a coloring book. I spent way too much money today. Okay, they got coloring books. Where's the crayons? Where is the crayon? Where's the crayon? I don't see the crayon. Oh, they're over here. It's $1? They sure it's $1? Cause I definitely would buy crayons and coloring books. I do need a new stand for my phone. I'm gonna buy it, shit. But I want the flower one though. I like the flower coloring book. But they don't got... Who they got Care Bears? They don't get Care Bears. Or I could do SpongeBob. Or they got they don't got like I like the flower coloring books. I don't see the ones I want. They don't got the coloring books I want. I could get Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. It says $1. Shit. I might get SpongeBob. I love SpongeBob. I think I'm gonna get SpongeBob. I wonder if I can color at work. I get back to y'all. Yeah, I'm in the mall right now. I don't even know why I'm here, but I need some. I don't really need anything, but it's just my mom wants me to get her some cinnamon sugar pretzels from Auntie Anne's. I'm gonna get that, but I'm trying to figure out. I think I'm gonna go to JD's, but I can't, record in JD's because they got the music playing loud as fuck in there, so I can't, vlog in JD's. Any shoe store I can't really vlog in because of the music, but I'm gonna show y'all some shoes that's in there, but I'm gonna be talking because I'm gonna put some music over it, so yeah, there's too much people in here. JD's is like right over there. I got my hoodie on because I don't want my coworkers to see me. I'm trying to be incognito. Hopefully y'all can hear me. That's the koi pond. Koi pond over there. But yeah. So JD's right there.
And she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom door. How could I forget that I had given her an interest? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off. Banging on the bathroom, banging on the bathroom, banging on the bathroom, banging on the bathroom, banging on the 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 banging on the. How could I forget that I had given her an extra? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off. Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom, banging on the banging on the banging on the banging on the sofa, banging on the banging on the banging on the banging on the tower, banging on the banging on the banging on the banging on the counter, banging on the banging on the banging on the banging on the. I had tried to keep her from what she was about to see. Why should she believe me when I told her it wasn't me? Banging on the banging on the banging on the banging on the sofa, banging on the banging on the banging on the banging on the tower, banging on the banging on the banging on the banging on the counter, banging on the banging on the banging on the banging on the bathroom, banging on the 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 banging on the. Come on! Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom door. How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? All this time she was standing there, she never. Back, that's not bad. Back, that's not bad. Back, that's not bad. Back,
They expensive though. They probably won't allow me to record. It's giving BBL. BBL. I don't want a bodysuit. Ooh, how much is this? I'm not supposed to be sitting spending no money. $78? Ah, let me get out of here. Alright, we're gonna get out of here. Yeah. Bro, I don't have the bag no more. Never mind. But Lululemon's over there. I know this mall in the back of my head. It's a shame. Harpsicle Bunny. But Lululemon. They got my Jacobs. But Lulu. Nike is over there somewhere. Yeah, Nike's over there.
You know, get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could deny my fantasy. What they check if my cat be no wrong. But it ain't rush forever, it be much. Now gotta make my car be the rush. Come on, you be gone. Yeah, it ain't rush forever, it be much. We be hype, everybody be close. Go down, you You fool me jackpata, I dey go Ghana. You never thought you dey from back pass. Which kind money we never see before. Cause hello me, got me feeling I'm the one. I never take my cake away. You can't count my grace. I just did my lane.
Alright, y'all, so I'm about oh my god, hold on. Anyway, so I'm about to go home. Leaving the mall, got me some pizza from Auntie Anne's with some ranch. If you don't eat your pizza with ranch, what are you doing? And then that's it. I may or may not end the vlog here, but I'm about to go home, chill, relax, put a movie on, and then that's the day I usually do. But I'll let you know when I get home. And yeah, so alright, y'all, I made it home safely and sound. I'm gonna eat my little pizza and just chill and probably go on live. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. That's about it. So I'm probably most likely gonna end the video here. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and make sure you put that notification button, and make sure y'all be watching my live streams. Stay tuned to my live streams and stay tuned for more video, more content. I know I've been away, but I'm back and better than ever. So see ya.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna